Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Creating a Wiki-Style documentation generator in Python. Introduction. Documentation is an essential part of software development. It helps developers and users understand how a piece of software works, how to use it, and what its various components do. In this tutorial, we will create a Python-based Wiki-Style documentation generator that can automatically generate documentation for your Python projects. We will use Python's built-in docstring functionality, and the generated documentation will follow a simple Wiki-Style format. Prerequisites. Step 1, Project Setup. Let's start by setting up a new Python project for our documentation generator. Step 2, Create a sample Python module. To demonstrate the documentation generation process, we'll create a sample Python module. Create a file called my_module.py in your project directory with the following content. This code defines a simple function add, with a docstring. Step 3, Writing the documentation generator. Now, let's write the Python script that generates the documentation. Create a file called doc_generator.py. This script imports the module to be documented and generates documentation in a Wiki-Style format using the docstrings of its functions. Step 4, Run the documentation generator. To generate the documentation, run the doc_generator.py script. This will create a file named my_module_documentation.txt containing the Wiki-Style documentation for your module. Step 5, Viewing the generated documentation. You can open the generated documentation file with any text editor to view the Wiki-Style documentation for your Python module. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we created a simple Python Wiki-Style documentation generator that extracts docstrings from Python modules and formats them in a Wiki-Style layout. You can extend this script to generate documentation for more complex projects and customize the formatting to suit your needs. Proper documentation helps you and your users understand and use your code effectively, so it's a valuable practice in software development. ChatGPT.